On this video, you want to answer the questions. Be sure to read the explanations if you missed the question. First, to name the congruent triangles, you need to identify the rigid motion. Now, identify the corresponding congruent parts. Name the corresponding angles. Now, name the corresponding congruent sides. Last, you should be able to write the congruent statement for the congruent triangles. Be sure to match the congruent angles. Second example, identify the rigid motion. Identify the corresponding parts in the congruent triangles. Name the corresponding angles. Name the corresponding congruent sides. Now write the congruency statement for the congruent triangles. Again, be sure to match up the corresponding angles. Third problem, identify the rigid motion. Identify the corresponding parts in the congruent triangles. Name the corresponding congruent angles. Now name the corresponding congruent sides. Finally, write the congruent statement for the two triangles. Be sure to match up the congruent angles. Last problem, identify the rigid motion. Identify the corresponding parts in the congruent triangles. Name the corresponding congruent angles. Name the corresponding congruent sides. And finally, write the triangle congruent statement.